Hello friends, welcome to channel Raise a Blade. This is Reza and I'm doing another of my 30-part series on daily reviews, and we are doing a bunch of reviews today to make up for a couple of days I had migraines and competed with too much sound to record. Sometimes those real life things do hit us full in the head, and sometimes they require some special treats to make up to you guys. So here's some special treats to make up to you guys. I have some of those fun new Wulu Shang plates, which I continue to order because we all seem to like them, and they do seem to be completely unique, and we like that on the AliExpress world. So let's see what we've got today. I have some more STZ plates. We do have another less than engraved plate in this bunch, which is sad because the engraving, it shows such promise. So let's see what we've got and which one you shouldn't get. So as far as the STZ plates go, we've got STZ 116, a number of excellent patterns here. Like that plate a lot. All right. And the not so engraved plate, and you can tell by just looking at it that it's going to give you a bunch of trouble. 115. First of all, instead of saying do what you love, it says duh what you love, which is a problem. This was supposed to say if you want it, work for it. Not completely engraved. Love forever, too small to see, even if it were engraved well. This one is lick the bowl. Really wanted this one to be engraved well. It's just not a good job. So we have got that on a swatch paper, and I will show you that in a minute. Luckily, this plate is engraved just fine. STZ 120. And got a bunch of skulls, a bunch of geometrics, a bunch of very interesting images. And let me see which of these are the STZ swatches. Here's one from STZ 116. I guess that was 116 and not 115. The 115 is the not engraved plate. So let's see which that is. There you go. That's fun. We were trying to eliminate fun from my vocabulary. It's just not happening. So we've got a skull. I love the skull. Skulls are among my best friends in the world. And let's see what else we've got. This I kept to show you the merits of being impatient. You will see there is a bunch of smearing, some serious layer crunching. This is what happens when we insist on stamping on a plate, on a swatch stick or a nail that you've put a couple layers of polish on and just haven't quite let it, given it about 10 minutes to dry. So this needed 10, I gave it maybe 8, and I was rewarded with this awful layers. All right, so that's what happens when you behave that way. Let's see if this is another one. Nope, that's another Wulu Shang. So let's get into the Wulu Shang plates now. My mani today is based on the whale plate. That is Wulu Shang WLSO11. And I've got this finger, but then I've got these fingers. Let's see, let's show them to you the right way. Love these. decided to do some galaxy nails with some whales in our galaxies. I thought that was a bunch of awesomeness. So there we go. That's what that one is. I do hope you enjoy it as much as I did. I enjoyed it quite a bit. So that's our whale plate. We have Brontosaurus and chickens, WLS 012 or 012. And I shall show you our Brontosaurus swatch here. There we go. We've got a layering plate, and this one I'll show you on the swatch paper, but it turned out fun. It turned out really lovely, is what it did. WLS 040. All right. And last but certainly not least, we have some Coke bottles, some umbrellas, some leaves, some unicorns, and something else that I wasn't quite sure what it was. So we have got Coke bottles. We have got leaves. Is it even in here? All right, and we've got some chickens, roosters, whatever. It's fun. Yep, I said it again. Now I'm just being a rebel. And the unicorns did not stamp great. I am sorry to say. They are just too finely etched. So, there we go. All right, so those are our swatches today for the actual sticks, and we've also got some evidence of actual swatching. So here's the 116 plate, very good patterns. Here's the 120 plate. Excellent. And we have my pathetic efforts at swatching the 115 plate. Guys, I do not recommend this plate. These are not all of my efforts, but these are the best. So the only thing I really did very well at were these two, this leaf one and this tulip one. Everything else was pretty terrible. So that's what that is. And then we've got our next effort. Here is our whales. Here are our whales. Here are our Brontosaurus chickens. And we have various things that we stamped on this plate. All right. And then here's our stamping. The stamping turned out really well. And that's Wulu Shang 40. Love how this one turned out. Alrighty guys. Thank you for coming today. Please subscribe to my channel. Sign up for notifications if you want to know whenever I upload a video. And like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment or ask questions below if you have them. This is the packaging that the Wulu Shang plates come in. I just included a look at it because it's weird. It doesn't really add anything to the whole picture. And thanks again for being here. See you later on. Bye-bye.